In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these WASSCE chemistry problems under physical and chemical changes for particular nature of matter. So guys, we have 5 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says a beta particle is represented as, so the right option here is option C. Alright, so this representation shows that this beta particle is going to gain 1 electron as the atomic number, okay, at the atomic number level. All right, so 1 proton will be added. So next, proton equals electron number. The next repeated question will be this one. So the right option here is option C. So this question 2 says, which of the following statements about nuclear reaction is correct? The reaction involves protons and electrons only. No. Involves neutrons only. No. Takes place inside the nucleus. Yes. So this is the right option, option C. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following conversions involves a beta particle emission? So in a beta particle emission, when it takes place, the atomic number, the proton number, gets extra proton. Okay, so the right option, if we check it, the right option here will be this option D. So when the atomic number, proton number, gets 1 more, the mass number remains unchanged. So the right option is option D. So the atomic number or the proton number changed from 80 to 81, while the mass number remained the same. So that's it for this question. Next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following changes is characteristic of an alpha particle emission? So the right option, okay, 4 neutrons are lost. No. The nucleus loses 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Yeah, so this will be the right answer. The nucleus placed into a compass node. A proton combines with an electron, giving off heat. So the basic answer to this question will be option B. The nucleus loses 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So that's it. The next repeated question, the last one before I end this video, will be this one. It says a sheet of paper is placed in a path of beam from a radioactive source. The emissions that pass through the paper consist of alpha and beta alpha particle and gamma rays. Alpha particles only, beta particles and gamma rays. So guys, the right option to this question will be option D, which is beta particles and gamma rays. Since a sheet of paper is placed in the path of a beam from a radioactive source, the emission that pass through the paper consists of, so the right option guys will be option D. Yeah, so beta particles and gamma rays have high penetration power, so they can pass through a sheet of paper, okay, if placed in the path of a beam from a radioactive source. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving physical and chemical changes under particular nature of matter. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. We practice with 5 repeated questions for this subtopic. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video to tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.